Hello everyone. Today we will solve question number 35B from CBSE exam paper 2026 Math Standard Set 3 QP code 30/4/3 class 10. So this is or. So you can do question number 35A or question number 35B. So from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of its foot is 30 degree. Determine the height of the tower. एक बिल्डिंग है जैसे कि यहाँ पर ए बी, तो यहाँ के इसके टॉप से जो है टावर के टॉप का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज 60 डिग्री एंड टावर के फुट का एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन is 30 degree. Now we have to find out the height of this tower CD. So AB is the building 7-meter high and CD is the tower. Its distance CE is equal to X and ED is equal to Y. And this is the angle 60, this is 30 degree, and this angle is equal to this angle because alternate interior angles, and BD is equal to D. So now solution. Let AB is building 7-meter high, CD is tower, height of tower H is equal to CD. Let C is equal to X and E is equal to Y. So CD is equal to H, height of the tower is equal to X plus Y meter. Now angle of elevation, angle CAE. CAE is 60 degree and angle of depression, angle EAD. EAD, this angle is 30 degree. Now angle EAD is equal to angle ADB, alternate interior angles, as AE is parallel BD. A is parallel BD. Now step 1. Now in right triangle ABD, ABD, ये ट्राइंगल में पहले हम D ज्ञात करेंगे, फिर X ज्ञात करेंगे, फिर Y ज्ञात करेंगे और X और Y ज्ञात होने पर इनको ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल हाइट ऑफ द टावर हमको ज्ञात हो जाएगी. So first let us find out the distance D. So in triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to tan 30 degree. So AB upon BD is equal to tan 30 degree. This implies, put the value 7 upon D is equal to 1 upon under root 3, tan 30 is equal to 1 upon under root 3. इसकी value. So this implies D is equal to 7 under root 3 meter. So this is equation 1. Now step 2. In right triangle CEA, CEA में क्या है? CE upon ED is equal to tan 60 degree. So step 2 in right triangle CEA, CE upon EA is equal to tan 60 degree. This implies, put the values, so X upon D is equal to under root 3. So this implies X upon, put the value of D, 7 under root 3 is equal to under root 3 on putting value of D from 1. So this implies X is equal to 7 under root 3 into under root 3 is equal to 21 meter. This is equation 2. Now right triangle AED. So this is 30 degree. So this upon this, yani ED upon EA is equal to tan 30 degree. So step 3, in right triangle AED, ED upon EA is equal to tan 30 degree. This implies Y upon D is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So this implies Y upon D की value रख दी 7 under root 3 is equal to 1 upon under root 3 on putting value of D. So cross multiply किया, under root 3y is equal to 7 under root 3. So this implies y is equal to 7 under root 3 upon under root 3 is equal to 7 meter. So this is equation 3. Height of tower CD is equal to H is equal to X plus Y is equal to 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. meter. So from equation 2 and 3. So answer, height of tower is equal to 28 meter. Thanks for watching.